Is your washing machine showing H20 on the display? Let's see what the issue could be and how to resolve this. Now, before carrying out any operation, you may need to disconnect the washing machine from the water and electricity mains. Make sure there's also no detergent or fabric softener inside. Always use rubber gloves and the necessary equipment, paying attention to sharp edges. Have you installed your appliance recently? The pipe at the back of the appliance needs to be carefully fitted so that it allows water to drain and fill correctly. Adjust the hose accordingly if you notice any signs of it being crushed or kinked. Is the water inlet hose properly installed, not bent, and is the internal filter clean? Refit the fill pipe correctly and remove and clean any blockages inside the solenoid valve filter. It's very important to carry out regular maintenance of the inlet hose and cleaning of the two filters positioned on the tap side and on the machine side, since any limescale clogging could reduce the flow of the incoming water. Did you load your appliance correctly following the program instructions in your manual? Now, we suggest never exceeding the load quantity for the selected program type based on the total dry clothes weight. We hope this information was helpful in solving your problem. For any further support, please reach out to us on our live chat or website.